So today I'm riding towards Khalanga War Memorial. It's going to be a steep climb, especially at the very end. It turns out to be very satisfying because the way is mostly jungle. So this is the entry gate. So this is the route we take, and just when the path for Khalanga starts, there is an intersection over there which takes a right turn, and that route goes towards Maldives. I've covered that in another video of mine. It'll be on the right side if you want to see. But today we are going towards Khalanga, so we'll ride straight ahead from the intersection. And since it is raining, it is going to be that much more fun. So to give a brief about where we are going, this memorial, Khalanga War Memorial, was actually erected by the Britishers in the year 1806 or something. I'm not sure. So that was erected after they had a big war between the Gurkhas and themselves. And the Gurkhas, even though their number was minuscule compared to theirs, they actually gave a very good fight, and the Britishers seems were mighty impressed by that. Even though they lost, the Gurkhas, the Britishers were so impressed by their bravery and courage that they erected a monument in their memory, their enemy. So you can imagine, what sort of valor, what sort of bravery the Gurkhas showed in that battle. So this is on top of a small hilltop, and there's just a memorial. There's a small monument which has been built, and the thing is, the way towards that is all between this lush greenery, and it's the way which is more enjoyable. The monument is fine, but there's not much to look forward to, but the way is absolutely beautiful, as you can see. And at the very end, towards the gate of it, there's a very steep climb which will actually going to test me. So sometimes I have been able to climb, sometimes I have to stop. Let's see how I fare this time. Anyway, till then, let's enjoy. So this towards the left was some sort of a lake, quite a lot of years back. I haven't seen water in it, but seems like a lake bed. But now it's completely dry. People come here and play. There's a small Mata ka mandir on my right, if you can see. Nice open small temple. Okay, so there's one final stretch which have to cover, and then we'll reach it. Okay. Let's go. Here we are.